This is a work of
Hi everyone, welcome back to Fateful Customs. Today we have a new video. This video is showcasing the 1998 Honda Civic. It has been sitting for a year now. Will it run? Question mark. So I'm gonna give you a little tour of it. You can see it's dirty. This tire back here has a little bit of air. It's rusty, look. Not too shabby. Look how much lasers here. Gloves. This is the engine. This is a brand new battery, like a month. I haven't tested it. I just put it because I knew I was gonna make a video. This is the engine. The cable is just in case when I restart it. Here I checked just to make sure it's cranking because I haven't touched it. I took out the oil dipstick to make sure it has oil before I start it. So I'm not gonna start it today, but we're gonna start it. Here's the old air filter. Look at this beat up. Look at all these leaves piling up. And I see it's leaking oil right there. So we're gonna have to replace that pan gasket because it's like leaking a lot. So the inside is clean. We can see it has debris. Plates, rollers are rusted. One brake there should clean up. But the engine looks horrible. We're gonna restore it. We're gonna polish this. We'll get waxy. We're gonna clean it inside out. If you made it this far, I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my website. I will be selling new stuff on it. So if you want to see more content like this, check out my website and support me. Thank you. See ya.